Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies for migraines and headaches. Alongside traditional treatments, certain herbs might offer some much-needed relief. So let's explore some of the most effective herbs and how they can be used. First up, we have feverfew. This herb has a long history of use for migraines, dating back centuries. It's believed to work by reducing inflammation, a common culprit behind those throbbing migraine attacks. You can find feverfew in various forms, like capsules, tablets, or even as a tea. Now let's move on to another powerhouse herb, butterbur. Butterbur is like a protective shield against those dreaded migraine storms. Studies suggest that it can actually reduce the frequency of your migraine attacks. It's believed to work by tackling inflammation and relaxing those tense muscles that can contribute to migraines. However, a crucial safety tip: always choose PA-free butterbur supplements. Some varieties contain harmful substances, so make sure yours is the safe kind. Next, we have a familiar friend, peppermint. Peppermint oil, when applied topically, can work wonders for tension headaches. It relaxes those tense muscles and eases the pain, providing sweet relief. Just dilute a few drops in a carrier oil and gently massage it onto your temples or forehead. Now let's talk about ginger. This versatile root isn't just for spicing up your meals, it's a superhero against migraine-related nausea and vomiting. Ginger steps in to calm those churning stomachs and allows the body to focus on healing. You can enjoy it in tea, add it to your meals, or take it as a supplement. Lavender oil is like a soothing balm for the mind and body, especially during a migraine attack. Simply add a few drops to a diffuser and inhale the calming aroma. You can also dilute it in a carrier oil and apply it topically. Let's shift gears to magnesium. You can boost your intake through delicious herbs like basil, dill, and coriander. Incorporating these herbs into your meals is like giving your body an internal magnesium boost, potentially reducing those migraine attacks. Willow bark. Ever heard of nature's aspirin? This natural remedy has been used for centuries to relieve pain, including headaches and migraines. Its secret weapon is salicin, which transforms into salicylic acid in the body, similar to aspirin. It's like having a natural pain reliever at your disposal. Let's talk about valerian root, a natural relaxant that can help ease you into a peaceful sleep. By calming the mind and easing tension, valerian root indirectly helps manage those pesky migraine symptoms. It's like a gentle nudge towards a more restful sleep, which can make a world of difference. Chamomile, the ultimate relaxation tea. This gentle herb possesses anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, making it a perfect choice for tackling tension headaches. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea during a migraine attack. Last but not least, we have basil oil. This aromatic oil is believed to have muscle relaxant properties, making it a great natural option for tension headaches. Simply dilute a few drops of basil oil in a carrier oil and gently massage it onto your forehead and temples. That was a deep dive into the world of herbal remedies. I hope this video empowered you with natural options to explore alongside your doctor's recommendations. Remember, managing migraines and headaches is about finding what works best for you. Herbs can be powerful allies on your journey to relief. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching.